Alrighty guys, gonna jump right into it. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is how I made $700 today trading the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. So what I'm going to do, we are already in replay mode and I'm making this video today at November 19th, 2024. So all we're doing, very basic, simple trading strategy. Before I do show you, of course, it is not 100%, so please do not take this video as this is going to work every single time. Please trade using proper risk management and be responsible. But all we're going to do, so we're going to get right into it. This is the 8:30 a.m. candle. I am Central Time, so this is the market open candle. So make sure as soon we are on the 15-minute time frame as well. And all we're going to be doing is watching the opening candle on the 15-minute time frame. So 8:30 for me. As soon as the candle closes, what I'm doing is I'm sitting here watching the market. As soon as it closes, I'm going to mark up our opening day range. This is going to give me my daily bias, what I should be looking at. So I will mark a line, a trend line right here above the wick to wick. So on the top of the wick and the bottom of the wick. Just for the video as well, I will do that as well. So all we're looking for when we are in this range, obviously it's showing that we are in a range now. This is our opening day range. So as soon as all I'm looking for, it can be buys or sells. I'm looking for a candle to close out of this range. So if it's on the bottom or if it's on the top, that's all I'm looking for. So I'm just sitting here watching the markets. Of course, I'm not going to take this trade as it is still obviously in this range. So I'm just waiting right here, and like right here, perfect, boom. So at 9:15, I've been waiting 15, 30, 45 minutes. I've just been waiting, sitting here. So 9:15 a.m. As soon as this candle closes, this 15-minute candle closes at 9:15, and I see that it closed above the range, boom, I'm getting in. Let me use this one. So boom, I'm getting in right there. What I'm going to do, because I'm in buys, I'm going to put my stops, and this is not going to be a really technical analysis video on risk to reward ratio, where to put your stops, how many pips to put your stops. This is just really the strategy. But what I do, you can do this as well. You can put your stops right at the top of the wick on the opening day candle, or you can put it on the bottom right here as well. And then your TPs can be wherever. If you wanted to put it at your most recent support or your most recent resistance, you can do that. Or if you're looking for a risk to reward, you can do a 1 to 5, you can do a 1 to 2, 2 to 1. So what I'm going to do, what I typically do is you can do it at obviously the most recent support or resistance. So I'm just going to leave it at a 1 to 5, and let's see what happened throughout today. This was today. So I'm in this trade, very little drawdown, as you can see, already in profit just in the next 30 minutes. And we're just going to be watching, and boom. And that's really it. And I will show you guys that it is really that simple. So this is on the S&P 500 as well. So I will do this right here. This is at 8:30, so I'm going to mark this up as well. So boom right there, and boom right here, the top of the wick and the bottom of the wick. And then I will also draw a rectangle just to show you. So as you can see on NASDAQ, the way we did it, we're just waiting for a candle to close. So you wouldn't even get in that, because look at that wick right there, just rejected. You would be thinking sells, but obviously it's still in that range, so we're not doing anything. And then boom, what do you see? Right here, candle closed. Put your stops wherever you'd like, of course. And then you can just do a 1 to 5 right there, and then just wait for it to play out. And boom, TP hit. That easy, very simple. That's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know down in the comments below what you'd like to see, and thank you so much.